In this quick guide, I show you how to link your Google domain to your Gumroad account. This process helps you give your store a professional look with your own custom web address, and it only takes a few minutes. First, log into your Gumroad account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the settings option in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust everything related to your account. Scroll down and find Advanced Settings. This is where we'll handle your custom domain setup. Inside Advanced Settings, you will see a section called Custom Domain. This is where you'll connect your Google domain. Now, open a new tab and head over to your Google Domains account. Copy your domain name exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, and paste it into the custom domain field on Gumroad. After that, hit Save Settings. The changes might take a few minutes to update, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Sometimes it helps to clear your browser cache or check in an incognito window to confirm everything's working correctly. And that's it. Your Google domain is now linked to your Gumroad account. With this setup, your store not only looks more professional but also builds more trust with your audience. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Gumroad.